Thanks for tuning in. My name is William Chang, and I'm the owner of Concept 3 in Brea, California. Concept 3 has been open since 2011, and I've been doing this for over 20 years. Today, I have a 2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe, and I'll be showing how to do an installation of a typical dashcam off the market. Today, we'll be installing the UltraDash S1 camera. It's a typical camera with a suction cup and a power cable. But for the power cable installation process, I want you to take a couple minutes and double check that the vehicle does not have an SRS curtain airbag. As for this vehicle, it does have an SRS curtain airbag, so the panel has to be removed. Removing the panel is very simple. Today I'm just going to use a Phillips screwdriver and a pick. In the corner of the SRS cap, you will have to pick and remove the cover. After removing the cover, you will expose the Phillips clip to remove it from the vehicle. After removing the screw, please gently pull the panel away from the vehicle. As you can see, you can now see the curtain airbag. You don't have to remove the A-pillar, but in this vehicle, we will remove it. The next step is to grab the camera and the suction cup. Attach the suction cup and find a good location that will not obstruct the view on the vehicle. I like to typically stay within 5 inches from the top of the windshield. Make sure that the surface is clean and attach the camera and lock the cut. Second step, power cable. I would like to start by going behind the airbag. This is the most dangerous procedure, so be very careful doing so. Next step, attach the camera cable to the camera. After so, I like to hide it behind the roof liner. So what I do is gently force the cable behind the headliner and just tuck it away. Now we can actually reinstall the A-pillar. Next step is to just grab the rubber seal from the window and hide it behind the rubber seal. After the A-pillar is all put away, we will now have to find a 12-volt solution for this plug. And this vehicle is right here. Plug the unit into the 12-volt socket. From there, go underneath the dash panel and tuck the wires away. Whatever excess wire you have left, it is easier just to put behind the factory carpet. Now the installation is complete.